Yo, Jordan, Arcade Tunes up in this bitch.
Oh, here we go.
Yo, Yo, you get out of here, bro. Oh, they're coming, bro. Yo, you're putting on a show for these people in the window right now. That was good, thank you.
This is all I'm here for.
I'll see you in Poconos.
Goodbye, I'll see you in Poconos.
Hey, this is the opening of my video. Can you say what's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Adam LZ video. Go subscribe to Jordan Arcade Channel. That part will get cut off, but it's okay.
That boy's wild. He's on like 265 R comps. What? Whoop, whoop. We're like 5 deep in here. Heading back before we head over to the Poconos. Look who it is.
Hey guys.
Good to see you, dude.
It's good, huh?
I don't know.
It's been too long.
I don't know if I filmed a clip of us. Obviously, we've seen each other for the past couple days.
It's been tandem.
Yeah.
We haven't sort of hung out and done a little video thing.
I have to say, last Drift Week I did. Luke wasn't here. I gotta say, you were a large part of the Drift Week experience, and it felt weird not having you here.
Yeah, and the kids and the wife, and you know, my kids love you. You love my kids. It's all good. How big have they got too? They've got so much bigger. It's been sad watching Drift Weeks happen and not being able to be here and have fun with you guys. So at least we come back doing it better this time with some good old American muscle.
30-second car check. Talk about
it. It's a S16, Nissan S16, the LS. Just literally a stock LS too. It has an intake, and then Russ and a friend back home have given it a tune. BC coilovers, FDF lower arms, PBM just cut knuckle, and it's got a pair of rear arms, roll cage, seat, steering wheel.
How you like it compared to the G?
Oh, it's definitely better than the G. But you know what? It honestly feels similar to my 370Z at home from a sense of just the overall feel. Interesting.
Oh yeah, you might want to address that.
Yeah. There's some loose things.
Yeah, when you do backwards entries everywhere, that'll happen.
Yeah. So I'm glad I checked this before we left.
Quick pit stop at a little car wash, and then we are off to the Poconos. I'm used to the whole New Jersey filling up your gas for you thing, but it's weird when you're in a drift car. Weird having someone press my fuel door that's not me. Are you doing all Drift Week?
All of Drift Week, as long as my car makes it.
You really are?
Yeah, I mean, look at it. It's already like made it super far, dude.
I honestly had no idea you were doing it. I'm stoked.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be fun. I've never drifted Pocono or any of these tracks, so I'm really excited.
I think the best thing about Drift Week is the fact that you get to drive a bunch of different tracks that are all back to back to back versus like having to do it every weekend. So
oh, for sure.
By the end of this, dude, you're gonna be a better drifter than everybody. Yeah, probably better than
Grant's
Grant.
good. I don't know if I'm coming for you.
Yeah?
I'm coming for your door.
Oh, buddy.
I actually don't know if I want your door because it's too clean.
Hey, can I use a Sharpie? I'm gonna put like a target right here, right? And then in Poconos, I'll have some name for.
Okay, I'm down. Let's do it. That'll be fun.
She's looking good though, dude. You've been shredding. You like E-Town?
I appreciate that. What?
You enjoy E-Town?
I love E-Town. I go there like once a week, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard you got a new thing that you like in E-Town now too.
What's that?
The thing that you do after the track.
Party?
The other thing. The place.
Shut the hell up. Don't stop.
So, super nice pedestrian. We're going from New Jersey to Pennsylvania. Flashed us, let us know that a cop was coming up. We were going so slow, so tame, and he flashed his lights on as soon as the whole Drift Week group passed him. So, Colette, any bets on who he's gonna pull over and why?
I don't know. Maybe we were going too slow, or it was like sus. Sus
Like,
slow. What's the speed limit?
I feel like it's got to be some stupid Jersey law, like, oh, your headlights weren't on and it's raining, or something. Is he coming?
I don't know.
Stay tuned. Maybe there's a small chance he's not coming for us and he's doing something else, but maybe he's just trying to phase us. Words just came out of Rudnick's mouth. Dude, I bet
I can
if
probably
I
do this in one bite.
it's a triple decker sandwich.
I don't know, dude.
Don't lose the filling.
I can probably get to like right here.
No,
You want me to do the whole thing?
You said you do the whole thing. I'm gonna get demonetized for this clip. Oh my god, Rudnick. Words to live by. Dude's a vacuum. Was it good?
Not bad.
Yeah, we took over this little diner in the middle of nowhere with no one here.
I did it. You did do it.
What do you get?
Congratulations.
I got free sandwich.
We completely shut down this poor little diner. They were great though, great service, good food. If you guys ever wind up here, Amwell's Diner, all right? If you ever come here, let them know that I sent you. Now we're gonna head over for the drive to Poconos. Apparently it's snowing, so that's gonna be fun. One thing I was a little bit concerned about going into this drift week was the street manners now that I have the FDF Mega Mantis kit on this car. And I will say, it feels just as good, if not better, than like a stock knuckle setup. There's no twitchiness, there's no bump steer, there's no wheel shake. Everything is just nice, smooth. I've been covering some back roads, and it is about as ideal as you could ever imagine driving an S chassis on the street would be. So, very happy thus far. Just cruising some back roads up to the Poconos. Man, I wish I had some defogger for my windshield. It's actually S15's first time seeing snow. I know you guys can see it. Pretty neat. Stopped at a little brewery, got some food before we head to the Airbnb. Even though it doesn't look that bad, we've been warned by many that there's like a foot of snow and the conditions aren't good. We gotta get to the Airbnb. I've driven in the snow plenty. I haven't driven in the snow with a welded diff, but I do feel good knowing that it is like above 32, so we won't have black ice. It'll hopefully just be some slushy snow that we gotta look out for. Rugnick's coming to the same Airbnb, so we're just coming to wish you luck, bud.
You ready to roll, dude? Look, I'm all ready to go. I got the gloves on.
You following us?
Oh yeah, we're gonna tandem right up the mountain.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it.
So far, not terrible, but very hard to see. Thankfully, we were able to get a hold of some anti-fog, which helped somewhat, but it's still very difficult to see. I regret not having my heater core hooked up, but I have to say I didn't anticipate cold weather and snow. If anything, I was like thinking that I would need AC for this trip. So I forgot the seasons, I guess. It's been a while since I lived up there. Yeah, so we're starting to hit a little bit of snow as we go up the mountain, as you guys can see. The visibility is not terrible because we don't have cars coming at us. The thing that's difficult is when you drive right-hand drive cars, you don't really drive off the yellow line, you drive off the white line, and there's so much like sand and on the side of the road that it makes it very difficult to kind of understand where I am, especially when other cars are coming and their headlights are shining at me. So I'm just going really slow when other cars come, but it's been okay. I just am cringing because I know that this car is getting covered in salt, and like, that's the enemy, always. Back to driving. We're at Walmart, and there's a hot tub. We all got matching bathing
Matching
suits.
cheetah, baby.
Yeah,
I'm
buddy.
excited for this.
I know. I gotta find a winter coat. This is children's.
Oh,
We're not going here.
around.
We made it. I could barely see the whole way. Rudnick, how was your drive?
Dude, it was fun. I skirted a little bit. It was a good time.
I bet it was fun having defrosted windows and someone you could follow.
Oh yeah, no, it was good.
Oh, it's about to pour. It's very snowy. My car's probably gonna get stuck here. All right, I'll hold this open. Oh, good morning. It's cold outside, so I'm getting ready for a tricky 85 start. Ooh, she looks cool though in the snow, huh? Putting on my driving gloves to keep my hands from freezing. I'm about to just send it. We got a hill, snow. I really don't want to get stuck. Just let me know if there's a car coming. I'm gonna send it. Dude, wipe the windshield out there. Oh, not bad at all. Love that. I should probably wipe down my windshield a little bit better though.
Turn left.
It's insane that they're letting us do a track day in these conditions, but they are. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna SRS chassis, which is no heat and no AC and foggy windows, but a friend of mine told me that shaving cream will make the windows not fog, so we're gonna give that a shot. Because if I can keep the windows clear, I can put down some good laps. Let's give it a shot. Status update, about to go try to drive. My harness is barely fit because I have 4 sweatshirts on, but I'm gonna do my best. Colette is miserable.
This is so bad.
Understandably so.
I can't feel my feet.
If we had heat, this wouldn't be that bad.
If we had heat, it wouldn't be bad. I wish I had my Z here. This would be so much fun. Like, I'm freezing in our house when it's 68.
The thing is, I didn't have the heater core hooked up because on SRs, it sucks when you get a leak underneath the intake manifold. It's a pain to fix. But now I regret that. The surface is actually great. I can't believe how much grip there is.
I know, that's weird.
There's almost too much.
Yeah.
I wish my handbrake works. The double pump's kind of funny. Nitto NT555 G2s. Great in the rain. I cannot believe how grippy it is. It is more grippy than any track I've ever driven in the rain. I don't know if it's the G2s or what. Dude, it's so hooked up. Mind-blowing. I thought it was gonna be like a slushy mess. I'm bored. I want a tandem. It's fucking sick. It's really good. It wasn't the best tandem, but that was so challenging.
That was wild!
His car is hooked up. I love tandeming in the rain.
That was so insane. I was like doodling the whole time. That was fucking wild.
I want to lead for him.
What do you mean that was really good tandem?
Yeah, I was just, my transitions were a little too late. His car is more hooked up than mine.
That's wild.
I was working to try to keep up.
Woo! Back to back to back like that.
I know. That's what we do at Episu.
Yeah?
Literally just like hot lap all day. You never go through tires. It's crazy. You literally just put fuel in the car. You change tires like once a day. Because the way the courses are set up, you don't use any tire. I should have seen that coming.
He was throwing so much angle.
The car drives fine.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Is there any fiberglass damage?
Yeah, there's no damage.
It's okay.
You didn't even scratch it.
like, I'm not going fast enough to make this, and this e-brake is not going to get me there either.
It's all good. It's so, I don't want to say it's so reckless out there, but like, it reminds me of Episu where you can just keep hot lapping and hot lapping. The cars don't get hot, you don't wear through tire. So you pretty much just keep going until someone crashes into someone and then you slow down. I'm kind of at that point, me and Jordan hit once in front and once in rear, and it pushed in the quarter a little bit. You can't see it thankfully because the over fender, so that's cool. But behind it, it pushed in and like split a little bit down here. I think I made this week a living hell, and I'm driving to, well, I'm going to West Virginia, then driving 2 hours, then going side by siding and going from there to the Smokies. And I still got to load up Colette's trailer with the car. I want to try to like shower off all the salt from underneath it. So I think I'm gonna call it here. I had some fun. I feel like we got some good footage. It'd be cool to keep driving, but we do have, I am coming back towards the later half of Drift Week to do some more events, so I don't want to destroy the car here. But it rips, I'm happy with it. These tires are blowing my mind. They're the NT555 G2s that we run in FD and 265s. The amount of grip they have in rain, like, I wish I had like a G meter or something so you guys could see, but it's insane. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a hose, jack the car up, and just spray off all the salt that's probably underneath it right now so it doesn't become a rust bucket. If you're from the Northeast, you know what I'm talking about. Got the trailer pretty much all loaded up. Still got some time to spare, so I'm gonna go turn some laps to Luke. He's been changing his oil, so we haven't gotten to drive together today. It was a good time driving with him. I wish my handbrake was working, but I don't really feel like re-bleeding it right now, so I think I'm just gonna send it and hope for the best. All right, so I got the mic on the cage mounted GoPro. We're about to go shred. I'm gonna drive some with Luke. I'll talk to you guys if there's anything cool going on. My hydro's been acting weird. It needs to be bled, but I didn't feel like doing it, so I just tightened up my stock handbrake. So you'll see me using that instead. It was very tough chasing not having working handbrake, because if you dive in and don't have something to rotate the car, it got sketchy. Watch Luke throw a backy over this hill, I bet. God, his car is so fast. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a hard time keeping up with him. The car's just super washy right now. I've got to set up loose. I'm just floating everywhere. Yeah, that's not even fun. Down the rear bunch. Let's see how it feels now. right, chasing Aaron. This V8 S14. Woo! Be using my handbrake. This car is fast, but I think we got him. Transition timing is so fun in the wet. Gotta be careful though, because someone hits a dry patch and their car will slingshot and you won't be ready for it. Also gotta watch your line, so you can easily follow someone off track in the rain. It's been happening a lot. Wow, his car just digs that low angle. Wow, I love a nice little flick like that. Start backing off sooner. I'm getting stuck in the corner. Ooh, I'm diving, baby. So like here, I would start backing off so that way I can be more ready for that transition. And there, I got greedy for that transition. I'm just getting greedy. It's just so fun. We get a down car. It's hard to talk and drive at the same time. It's fun though, because it makes me more analytical about what's going on. I just get real excited and I want to like stay with them as long as I can, but then it screws up the next transition. So drifting's always a game of like, try to make the important corners worth it. So like you can sacrifice in a small corner in order to get a really good run at a big sweeper so you can be with them the whole entire time. Having fun, Aaron?
I'm having an amazing amount of fun. This is literally Ebisu vibes at this track. It's so good.
I keep looking at my IATs and my coolant temp and they don't move at all. We could just hot lap for 30 laps and it's sick.
Sugoi!
I forgot that we made your number 42069.
Hentai.
I love that.
Yeah. I think Mark took the other side off, didn't he? He left me one cheesy number.
Some fun laps with Aaron. I'm working this poor clutch. SR in third gear following a V8 is not gonna party. Whoop. That was an awesome way to end the session at the Poconos Raceway, driving with Aaron. Aaron's a fantastic driver, and I feel like half the time I drive with Aaron, he's usually on car shoes, so that was really cool to get to have some good laps with him. Just driving in the rain gives me Ebisu Nishi vibes, just lap after lap after lap. Mike's driving me to the airport in his rental.
Hello.
Mike's going home, have a little vacay. I'm going to West Virginia, then Smokies, then back up to West Virginia for another Drift Week event. It was a lot of fun though. A little sketchy in the snow, but it was like just the right amount of sketchy, and I'm glad that I was able to make the drive from E-Town to the Poconos and didn't trailer the car, because I feel like that's part of the whole vibe of Drift Week, is those moments of sketchiness and driving drift cars in places you're not supposed to, and cruising with the group and not doing any drifting on the street anywhere ever.
Nope.
Never.
Nope.
You know, following Luke, not watching Luke do crazy things. That never happens. But yeah, good times. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.